All right, it is trading back into that level, so it's not a trade for me since I don't trade into support or resistance. I like it to be free and clear from where price opens in my target. That being said, that is a rock star trade setup that many of our traders will take. It is naked because it's outside that zone and that low of the day is too far. But if you got into it right at the open, would have worked out there for you. You can see a few plus fives roll in here for those traders that I know that will trade into support or resistance. Yep, nice, good job everyone. All right, so I did buy the NQ. It backed up, got a better fill. And plus five. And still watching them. YM has a lot more momentum now since the price was channeling. Let's see if the YM opens with a rockstar on the open of the next bar. Nope. NQ, a little too late there. I was still watching the YM. But if you got that NQ, there's another good one. All right, I'm watching the GC. If the next bar opens within 5 ticks above, then I will buy the GC as a speed tick trade. We don't need a rock star, but it would help. All right, so I did buy the GC. That's just a standard speed tick trade. All right, plus 5. All right, watching the NQ. Did not get a rock star, but I did watch. Oh, got too late on that YM. I was watching the NQ. But if you got that YM, there was another plus 5 for you, if you were able to get that in time. All right, I did that YM, plus 5. A little late on the call there, had to be quick on the trigger.